Your iPhone is lying to you. Even when you delete a photo or a file, it's still sitting there, eating up gigabytes of storage in a hidden ghost trash bin. Today, I'm showing you the 6 specific places where your iPhone hides its trash and exactly how to empty them to get your storage back. The last one is a trick most people don't even know exists. Let's start with the biggest space hog, photos. When you hit delete, it doesn't leave your phone. It just moves. Open Photos. Tap Collections. Scroll all the way down to Recently Deleted. It's locked, so you use your Face ID to get in. See those? That's how many days of life those files have left before they actually disappear. It says 29 days right there on that video. Don't wait 30 days. Tap select, hit the 3 dots, and choose delete all. This is usually the single biggest space creator on your device. Next, your messages. If you delete a spicy text or a massive video attachment, it's still there. Open Messages. Tap the filters icon. Tap Recently Deleted. Select them all and hit delete. If you send a lot of videos, this adds up faster than you think. Number 3 is Notes. Open the Notes app and back out to your main folder list. Look for Recently Deleted. In this case, I don't have any recently deleted. Just like photos, these sit up taking up data. Hit edit, select all and delete. Gone forever. Number 4, Mail. If you use the built-in Apple Mail app, those deleted emails are stored on your phone, not just in the cloud. Open the Mail app. Find the folder labeled Trash or Bin. Empty it. If you have thousands of unread promos, clearly this can actually speed up your search function. This next one is the trickiest to find, the Files app. Search for the Files app, tap Browse at the bottom until you see the main locations list, tap Recently Deleted. These can be large PDFs or large downloads that you forgot about. Tap the 3 dots, select all, and delete. Finally, the most important step, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Look at the system data at the very bottom. If that number is huge, here's a secret. Restart your phone. Hold the power button and volume buttons down, slide to power off and turn it back on. This forces the iPhone to clear its temporary cache and other data, often dropping that number from gigabytes instantly. You just cleared the trash, but your phone is still vulnerable. Now that you have the space, you need to make sure your data is actually protected from hackers or accidental loss. Ever wondered how you can tell if your iPhone is tapped? Check this video out now.